Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ghazali Ghifari and I'm from C class, and I'm here to answer the final exam of Introduction to Literature. The question 1 explain about the figurative language. The first one is simile. A simile is a figure of speech that compare to different things in an interesting way. For example, my sister swam like a dolphin. And then metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that makes a implied or hidden comparison between two things that are unrelated but which share some common comparison and characteristic. For example, time is money. And then hyperbole. A hyperbole, a hyperbole is a type of figurative language. Therefore, a hyperbole is not meant to be taken literally. A hyperbole is a overstatement that exaggerates a particular condition for emphasis. For example, if you leave me alone, I will die. And then personification. Personification gives human trait and quality, such as emotion, desires, sensation, gesture, and speech, often by way of metaphor. For example, her life passed by her. And is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a word that actually looks like the sound it makes, and we can almost hear the sound as we read. Here are some words that are used as example of onomatopoeia: slam, bam, splash, mumble, and bubble. And question number 2 is give your opinions about poetry activity in classroom. In my opinion, poetry in the classroom is very interesting, and poetry is very fun for students and teach us to think creatively. And the question number 3 is explain about the element of short story. The first one is a character. A character is a person or sometimes even an animal who takes part in the action of short story or others. The next one is setting. The setting of a short story is the time and place in which it happened. Authors often use description of landscape, scenery, buildings, season, or weather to provide a strong sense of setting. And the next one is conflict. The conflict is struggle between two people or things in a short story. The main character is usually on one side of central conflict. On the other side, the main character may struggle against another important character, against the force of nature, against society, or even against something inside himself or herself, like feeling, emotion, or illness. And then plot. A plot is a series of event and character action that relate to central conflict. And then the last thing is theme. The theme is the central idea or belief in a story. Question number 4 is explain about folk tales, fairy tales, and fables. The first one is folk tales. Folk tales is traditionally narrative, usually anonymous, handed down like fables, fairy tales, and legend. For example, is Pinocchio. The next one is fairy tales. Fairy tale is a children's story about magical and inaugural beings and lands. For example is Cinderella. The last is fable. Fable is a short allegorical narrative making a moral point, traditionally by means of animals, characters who speak and act like human beings. For example is the mouse and the frog. The question number 5 is, what are the benefits of drama? In my opinions, benefit of drama in the class, drama can control emotion, and drama can provide of opportunity to provide creation in drama. And the question number 6 is, explain about the Globe Theatre. The Globe Theatre was a theatre in London associated with William Shakespeare. It was built in 1599 by Shakespeare Company. The Lord Chamberlain on land owned by Thomas Brand and inherited by his son Nicholas Brand and grandson Sir Matthew Brand, and was destroyed by fire on 29 June 1613. A second Globe Theatre was built on the same site by June 1614 and closed by ordinance issue on 6 September 1642. And the question number 7, explain about relationship literacy and literature. Literacy is the ability to digest text and to produce text to make meaning. Literacy is the foundation for all word-based communication, and literature, on the other hand, is the art of reading and writing. It is cerebral and visceral, explicit, and the last question is, make a poem, and the theme is be mine. You told me that you need me, and that is for real. You say that you love me, and you care. I told you that I love you, baby, and baby, I do, and you said be mine forever. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.